What's goody, boys? It's your boy Conrad. How you guys doing today? So today we're gonna go ahead and fix up the Civic. Actually, we haven't really been working on the Civic since the Supra has been taking over our life. But today we're gonna go ahead and do a couple things. We're gonna go ahead and clean up the headlights and change out the wheels to the old sparkle wheels because she'd be looking dirty and I don't want her to be looking that bad. So let's go ahead and get that done today before the light goes out because it might go dark really fast. So let's see if we can get her done before the light goes out. So let's look at this before and after kind of thing. So look how hazy these are. They're not super good. This side I feel like is worse than the other side. They're kind of hazy, you know. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but today we have this restoration kit. It's a Cerakote restoration kit, no power tools needed, 1 and 3 Z steps. Apparently, I've seen a bunch of YouTube videos on it. My favorite YouTuber uses this Cerakote stuff. So we got it with the rest of our prismatic powders, Jesus, stuff. So hopefully this stuff will be good. What is it? So 3 Z steps, oxidize remover, prepare surface, and ceramic coating. Shouldn't be too simple. I'm gonna go get some blue tape to tape around that, but we should be good to go after that. As you can see, it's like super cloudy right now. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is step number 2. We're gonna use this applicator pad with the sander. We're gonna wet it down with probably some soapy water and just keep on doing it. All right, yeah, so pretty much what we're gonna go ahead and do is wet that with soapy water and then just go back and forth in a uniform motion. I think we should be cool. Let's go ahead and do that, boy. So I don't know if you can see, but that's pretty oxidized. I made an oopsie in the paint right there. That is my bad. I'm freaking dumb. Hopefully this summer or maybe in a couple weeks when we buff her up, she'll look a lot better. I'm sure that those scratches will buff out. There's no reason why not. But so now we're gonna go ahead and apply step 3. Let's see. This whole headlight has to be dry, super dry, because or else it'll mess up the finish. So put on a clean pair of gloves. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and swipe like this with 50% overlap. 60 seconds or 60 minutes after it'll be 100% dry. I think we do this twice. But yeah, let's go ahead and get her done. Holy crap. those are so clear. Holy smokes. Sheesh. Look at these. Holy crap. They are so clear. That is insane. Holy crap. They are brand freaking new looking. Oh my god. Look at this, look. Right here. Brand new headlight. Nasty. Like, it's not as clear as this other side is. Look at that. It's a brand new headlight right there. Sheesh. Why didn't I do this before? Why did I not do this before? This is clean. I am so happy with this result right there. Holy crap. Ew, the engine, baby. Ooh, those are dirty. Let's go ahead and get these done while those are drying and see what she looks like all cheesed up, boy. I'm excited. Look at that. Civic's looking clean. Sheesh. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. They are not like say brand new, but they look clean, boy. Look at that. Sheesh, that sparkle. They look so good. Like, I mean, like right here. Don't mind all the mess, but sheesh. They look so good. Oh, look at that. Sheesh. I really want to redo these because you can see that looks super nasty, but I mean, it is what it is. She looks good. A little update on this thing. I don't think I've ever told you guys, but we redid the full front suspension, everything all good to go. Got a new power steering pump in there. The old one like snapped off, but we're having some issues with it. Sounds weird in there, so I don't really know what to do there. But I mean, plans for this car honestly is just to get her looking clean. I really want to buffer this year because last year I tried to buffer, but like I had a fender that came out really good, but the rest of it didn't really come out that good. But look at this. Ew, bro. We better change that up. Hopefully before it all gets super dark, but take one last look at her looking like dog boo-boo. Let's get them new wheels on. Look at that. Even though it looks dirty right now, she looks good. Look at that. Shiny new headlights. Freaking sheesh. I wish she was lowered. Even though she looks lowered, my shock's out, so we need to do something about that. Like, look at this shit. Look at this fitment, bro. Full ass fist. We need to do something about those nasty ass coils back there. I definitely am gonna get some coils. Probably won't get the best coils. Probably some max speed rods. I heard those are decent at best, but this is a decent at best Civic. The paint should be super good on this car. It's just got like some rust or like right here. Civics get this a lot. You know, but honestly, like for transforming the car, like with the headlights and the wheels or rims or whatever you want to call them, I just call them wheels, whatever. Do whatever you want to do, but I mean, she's nice. She's looking clean. Sheesh. Well, as you guys can see there, the Civic is looking pristine. New headlights, pretty much new headlights, honestly. And we also have the sparkos back on. We got to get the Civic up and running, looking pristine as could be for the car. I mean, I guess you say car season here in Germany. Because of COVID, there's not very much car season going on here. But at least if there's something comes up or whatever and we sneak something in, you know, I'll bring the Civic. The Civic's always looking clean. We need to get new coils for the Civic, so I mean, that's on my bucket list once we get the Supra up and going. But quick update on this on the Supra. Look, she's pretty much a bare block right now. Look at that, she's pretty much just like the block. I finally got the runners down, and that's off. We're trying to clean up the block just so it looks real nice when the turbo kit comes all inside there. So I'm trying to clean up all this stuff. You know, there's a bunch of things that can be deleted, so we're gonna try to run through all that stuff. But I mean, she's coming along. We've worked a lot the past week to get her where she's at right now. We might just take these off and paint them, maybe just some satin black just for now, until I could get a big enough oven so we can powder coat them, just because I want the whole engine bay to look clean. And those are just definitely, look at those things, they be crusty, they're just an eyesore, but definitely we need to get that done. But the powder coat is here, so the next couple videos, powder coating, sandblasting, powder coating, getting all this ready to go. It's gonna be freaking sick. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Conrad. I make Supra videos, Civic videos, car videos, just in general. I love cars and I love working on them. We are working on the Supra. We got a badass Civic. It's H22 swapped. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.